If you work in people and culture, HR, or have a learning and development type role, then one of the things you're probably thinking about a lot, especially in this turbulent marketplace, is talent retention, right? How do you retain top talent? How do you keep key team members from leaving the organization? And what do you do if they want to go, right? And I think a big part of how PowerProv training can help is by instilling that ensemble mindset, making everyone feel like they're an invaluable and valued part of a team. And when people feel valued, heard, respected, understood, appreciated, wanted, celebrated, all the things that PowerProv training can help you as an organization get better at, they're less likely to leave because it's really hard to find that in anywhere. So if you can create it, it gives you a real competitive advantage.
Yeah, I think the walking into a place feeling valued and a space where you feel you belong and heard, understood, you're more inclined to stay employed there. I think there's some stats on people don't leave a business. They leave the work, not the people. The connection you have with people are the reason you stay. And I think if you have that supportive environment, you feel valued there. It's people are more inclined to stay in the business.
That's right. And there's having done this work for over a decade, one of the things we've seen is how this work bonds people together and really brings genuine connection to groups of people that from an outsider's perspective seem like they have nothing in common, right? And so if we can do that for a group of strangers in our classes, we can certainly do it for a group of people who are already working together every day.
Yeah, amazing to see that actually. Every time we do it, there's always a common thread between everybody, and that human aspect that bonds them.
Yeah, so talent retention, obviously the other part of that is, personal development, training, professional development, right? So if you factor in all the benefits we've just described, plus the fact that, my company cares enough to keep investing in my own development, personal and professional development with training like what we do at PowerProv, then I think it's a winning combo.